How are you, my friend?
Man, how you doing?
Nice to meet you, brother.
Come on.
So what's the issue with the phone, bro?
Okay, so I think it keeps restarting. It's turning off
Let me
and
take a look
restarting.
at it.
But I don't know if it's this.
Okay.
But I think it's the screen because the
Let me
back
see.
has been broken for a while.
Okay. Oh, the touch is bad, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's fine. That's fine.
I said no. Like, this is my wife.
Wait,
How much are you charging? Give it to you later today.
correct. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, breaking all my stuff.
Take a look, my friend.
Oh, beautiful.
Brand new, brand new. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, huh?
See you, bud.
Thank you.